tongues. I got a question from some friends of mine who own a very adorable small dog about the differences between human and dog tongues. Let's start with the similarities. Both human and dog tongues are made up of 8 different muscles. Both are moistened by various salivary glands inside the mouth and on the tongue itself. The bumps that you see on your own tongue are not actually your taste buds, they're called papillae, and they're little structures that actually hold your taste buds and various other things. Both humans and dogs have them. Now, differences. First of all, dog tongues are actually structured to do a lot more than human tongues. They're stronger, they're more dexterous, and they're better connected to the dog's brain. Dogs have 5 completely separate pairs of nerves traveling from their brain to their tongue, which enables them to use it better. When it comes to taste, there's a myth that dogs have a heightened sense of taste, but the truth is that humans have about 9,000 taste buds as opposed to a dog's 1,700, and everybody's beaten the cats who clock in at just around 470. So humans can taste a wider range of things and differentiate between subtler flavors, but there is a difference in what kind of taste buds humans and dogs have and what we use them to sense. Humans have really heightened taste buds for saltiness. Since our ancestors tried really hard to find things that contain sodium like meat, it took a lot of energy and effort, our taste buds are heightened to seek those things out because we need them in our diet. Canines, however, are mostly carnivorous and eat meat as their main dietary staple, so their taste buds for salt are not that highly attuned. This is why humans crave things like chips and buttered popcorn. In addition, dogs actually have a specific set of taste buds for water. Humans don't have that. Scientists believe that this is because dogs, since they do have so much sodium in their diet, need an extra way to regulate their internal fluids, so being able to taste water helps them regulate their hydration. Something else that dogs can do with their tongues that humans can't is cool off. Humans cool off by sweating through the pores in our skin, so we shed excess water, and when it evaporates, it cools our surface. Dogs, however, can't do this because they're covered in fur, so they do it through their tongue. When a dog gets really hot, the blood vessels in its tongue dilate so that a lot more blood flow is getting through the organ. Then the saliva, which the mouth is already producing, will evaporate off the tongue when the dog sticks its tongue out to pant. This causes a cooling sensation on the surface of the tongue, which then transfers the coolness to the blood that's flowing through the dog's tongue. Both humans and dogs have enzymes and cells in their mouths that fight bacteria, called lysozymes. It's something that your body naturally produces as part of your immune system. Dogs, however, have a specialized kind of antibacterial substance in their saliva that allows them to lick external wounds to fight bacterial infection. They also have a rougher textured tongue so that it can lick away parasites and oils. Human tongues, not so much. Another difference between human and dog tongues is that we as humans use our tongues to create speech. Your tongue is essential in creating most vowel and consonant sounds, and so without our tongues and the way we use them, we wouldn't have language. Dogs obviously don't speak, but they do use their tongues to shape the pitch and tone of their barks and howls. In a similar vein, humans often use their tongues in cultural ways. So when a human sticks out their tongue, it can mean various cultural gestures. We also use them for body decoration. You can get it pierced. Dogs don't express things culturally with their tongue, but they can express subconscious things that might be going on in their brain. For example, if a dog is prone to licking its nose a lot or sticking its tongue out into the air or licking the air, it probably means that it's really anxious. It's trying to gather more information about its environment to make it feel more comfortable. Tongues are super fascinating. I did a lot of research about tongues for this video. If anybody's interested, I've got some links below, both on dog tongues and human tongues. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your week. Don't forget to check out the blog, WordPress. A couple new articles posted up there. Check out the Facebook to get updates about when videos are coming out and what's coming up next. Don't forget to pack your lunchbox. Ba-da-da-da-da-dum-ba-dum.